Good morning, children. Hope you all must be enjoying the videos of social science. Today we are going to start with yet another chapter of social science, lesson number 2, what the world around us. Now, we all know that earth first was when the beginning of the during the beginning of the earth, it was a ball of fire. It slowly cooled down and different spheres came into existence. Here we can see the picture of different spheres. See, there the spheres can be divided into atmosphere, biosphere, geosphere, which is also called lithosphere, and hydrosphere. We will study these spheres in detail today. Earth's spheres. Everything in Earth's system can be placed into one of four major systems: land, water, living things, or air. Now these four subsystems are called spheres. As we have seen in the diagram earlier, in the picture earlier, four spheres mainly are there. Lithosphere, or which is also called geosphere, means the land on which we live. Then hydrosphere, as the word itself suggests, hydro means water. So all the water on the earth, may it be lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, all are under the title hydrosphere. Then biosphere. Biosphere is the combination of all the other three spheres. The living things which live on the earth, they are all called biosphere. Next is atmosphere or the air. Now each of these four spheres can be further divided into different spheres. Now let us witness a video explaining us in detail.
I'd like to talk about the four spheres of the earth. The earth can be divided into four major.
Here see, geosphere is given. Geosphere, as I told you, is nothing else but our lithosphere.
Spheres. The names of each of these spheres come from the Greek words that describe what they're made of. Geo for ground, bio for life, hydro for water, and atmo for air. Let's take a look at each of these four spheres in a little bit more detail. Up first is the geosphere. Since geo means the ground, the geosphere describes all the rocks, minerals, and other parts of the ground that are found on and also inside the earth. The geosphere includes the inner core, outer core, crust, and the mantle.
So you understood, all the earth, may it be interior of the earth, may it be surface of the earth, all these come under the title geosphere.
So the geosphere would include the ocean floor, all the rocks on the surface, the sand in.
So we can see this, the ocean floor, that is the bed of the ocean, whether there are rocks or mountains or whether it is a desert. All these come under the title geosphere.
The deserts and inside the earth. The hydrosphere is made up of all the water on earth. This includes rivers, lakes, streams, oceans, ice caps, glaciers, and even moisture in the air. If you take a look at the earth from space, you will notice that it is blue in color.
Have you noticed this? Always the globe, also when we see more of blue in color. And also this picture of the earth, when it is seen from the space, we can see it is more of blues. Now you understood what this blue color indicates? It is the water on the earth or the hydrosphere.
This is because the earth's surface is over 70% water. Most of this water is found in our ocean. The biosphere is the zone of life on Earth. The biosphere extends to any place that life is found or can exist. This can be in the air, on the surface of the Earth, in our oceans, or any other location.
So in short, any living organisms on the earth come under the category or the sphere which is biosphere.
And finally, our atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding our planet. The atmosphere of the Earth is composed of nitrogen, oxygen, some argon, carbon dioxide, and some other gases in small amounts. These gases are held in place by the pull of gravity. So there we go, the four spheres of the Earth: the geosphere, the hydrosphere, the biosphere,
and the atmosphere. Now let's look at the lithosphere. As we have seen in the video, the lithosphere contains all of the cold, hard, solid land or the Earth's crust. Okay, the semi-solid land underneath the crust and the liquid land near the center of the planet. All these surfaces are there in lithosphere. There are high mountains, or it can be as low as under the seabed. All of these are considered under the sphere lithosphere. See here in the diagram we can see a mountain is there, then also the ocean is there, volcanic island is there. All these come under the category lithosphere. Okay, now the solid rock portion, the crust, uppermost, then the under the seabed, all these are lithosphere. Huge land masses above the water are called continents. We all know that Earth's crust or plate, tectonic plates, the movements which causes mountains and volcanoes. Okay, now we all have understood now what is lithosphere. Now let's go to another sphere of the Earth, which is hydrosphere. But we will understand that about hydrosphere in the next video. For till that time, be safe, stay at home, and keep studying whatever material is provided to you. Thank you, everyone.